Today, I've got a video for you from Abzene Crazy Auditor. And honestly, the way he handled this encounter is pretty impressive. When officers demanded his identification, he didn't just comply out of pressure. He calmly stood his ground and made it clear that the officers might actually be stepping outside the bounds of their authority. This encounter takes place in Coronado, California. And what makes this situation particularly strange is the number of officers involved. From highway patrol to city police, multiple units showed up for what started as a very minor issue. And the more you watch, the more it starts to feel like these officers are harassing this man rather than simply enforcing the law. So, what do you think is really going on here? Is this normal law enforcement, or another example of authority being pushed too far? Watch the video and let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'm really curious to hear what you think. But for now, sit back, watch the footage, and decide for yourself.
Turn my radio down.
I see your driver's license, registration, and insurance books.
So what are you pulling me over for?
The GoPro on your helmet.
The GoPro on my helmet.
Yeah, the fixture, the mounting for that thread.
What's wrong with it?
You're not allowed to have that on your helmet. You can't have anything protrude more than 2 millimeters off the surface of the helmet.
That's a crime?
It's not a crime, it's an infraction.
Okay, so you pulled me over for a non-crime?
It's an infraction, it's a moving violation. You can't have anything on your helmet. It compromises the integrity. Can I have the information I asked you, please?
Actually, sir, I mean, the fact that you pulled me over for a traffic violation of a GoPro on the top of my helmet, which is for my safety, it's kind of ridiculous. I will not be consenting to anything. So
Okay.
if you need to get a sergeant out here, that'd be great.
What's your name?
Did I commit a crime?
I've stopped you for a traffic violation.
Okay.
I've asked you for your information. You're refusing to give it to me.
I'm not refusing to give it to you. It's just I did not commit a crime. And you pulled me over for a GoPro on my helmet,
And it's a traffic
which
violation.
is for my safety.
Okay. Do you understand what I stopped
What's your
you
name and badge number? Bliss, what's your badge number?
for? You answer my question, and I'll answer yours.
What is
okay?
your badge number, sir?
But you answer my questions.
I'm cooperating so far. I
No,
pulled
you're
over.
not. You have not produced your driver's license. You have not produced your registration.
Because
you have
you
not produced
pulled
your
me
insurance.
over for not a crime. And in fact, it's the stupidest thing you can pull me over for is that freaking camera.
Is speeding a crime?
A camera
Is
on
speeding
my helmet.
Is speeding a crime?
A camera on my helmet, sir.
Answer my question. Is speeding a
I'm not
crime?
answering any more questions. I'd like to speak to my lawyer.
Can I have your information, please?
You can get your sergeant.
Sit tight.
Bliss. I'm not sure what his badge number is. He pulled me over because I have a GoPro on my helmet. What a ridiculous revenue collecting piece of shit.
Hey, I just want to let you know that I'm also recording this stop.
Of course
and
you
I've
are.
asked you numerous times for your information and you're refusing to do so.
I'm not refusing. If I committed a crime, I would absolutely give you my ID.
All right. You've been stopped for a traffic violation,
I got stopped for a GoPro on my helmet.
and I've told you it's a traffic violation.
That's a bullshit violation. So go ahead and get your sergeant here.
Okay, I've told you it's a violation, so you're still refusing to produce your information.
If
when you've
you
been
can
informed that you-
articulate a crime that I have committed, I will ID. Until then, I do not have to ID. And in fact, this is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right, and I am now invoking Title 18, Section 242, deprivation of rights under color of law. If you do one more movement without getting your sergeant here,
Did you hear me?
did you hear me? Get your sergeant here. I'm done speaking to you. I told you I am done talking. I am now invoking my Fifth Amendment right to stay silent.
If you
Thank you.
fail to produce your information,
Then what? You're going to arrest me?
in jeopardy of being
So that'd
placed
be
under
kidnapping.
arrest.
And I already invoked Title 18, Section
How is that
242.
kidnapping?
You'll find that out in court, sir.
You're failing to identify
You'll find that out
myself.
in
Are you
court.
familiar with?
Are you getting your sergeant?
Are you familiar with Section Penal Code
Are
148?
you not listening to a lawful order?
Are you listening to
Call
my lawful
your
order?
sergeant. You are not. This traffic stop is unlawful, especially since I told you this is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right.
Okay.
And you pulled me over for a fucking GoPro.
Which I told you is a traffic violation.
Okay. Well, I'm going to stay right here and I'm staying silent.
Okay.
Until I speak to my lawyer.
Do
or
you
get your
really want to
sergeant.
go to jail?
Do you not want to get your sergeant?
I've called him.
Okay, good. Well,
and
I'm staying silent until he's here and I talk to him.
Okay.
Bliss, please step away from me with your badge, your gun, and your fake costume. I'll be right here.
Okay.
He literally pulled me over for this.
You Cody Shear?
Mind your own business.
Are you Cody Shear?
I am not answering questions.
Okay.
I don't answer questions.
Cody, you're not the answer. Just don't answer. No, you're not.
I don't answer questions. I'm not answering the question. I'm just saying, this is stupid. You pull someone over for a fucking GoPro? This is for my safety. You pull me over for that? Like, come on. Like, get the fuck out of here. I informed him if I committed a crime, I would ID immediately, but he does not suspect me of committing a crime. He pulled me over for...
If he issues you a citation, are you gonna cite it?
If he issues me a citation,
Correct.
he could take that and wipe his ass with it.
Why are you being so...
Because he pulled me over for a GoPro on my helmet.
Okay.
Okay? Is that a crime?
If it's in the vehicle code, then yes, it is.
Is it a crime? Do you know what a crime is?
Yes, I know what a crime is. If it's in the vehicle code, then it's a
So
crime.
just tell me what the difference between a crime and an infraction is.
An infraction is a crime, yes.
Okay, so is this a misdemeanor or a felony?
I don't know. It's definitely not a felony.
Well, I know that, but is it a misdemeanor or a felony?
Most
Neither
likely
one.
It's most likely not a
Either one.
misdemeanor, too.
Okay.
But I don't
So
know
I don't need an ID for a non-crime. He's a jackass. He's gonna
He
get.
pulled you over for a reason, right?
Listen, either way, I'm gonna see him in court.
I'll listen to you, yeah.
Okay. So either way, he'll be seen in court and he'll learn a lesson.
Good.
And if you guys want to come here and back him up for a unlawful stop,
This is what we always do, though. Like,
I know
if we
that.
see
Listen.
somebody on a traffic stop, if we see somebody on a traffic, you know that.
no,
If we
I
see
know,
somebody on a
and I'm
traffic
always
stop,
there.
we're
But
gonna
the thing is, like, when you show up and you realize, like, I'm someone that knows my rights. Okay, so I did not commit a crime. I do not have to ID. I will not ID. He can't even write me that ticket without seeing my ID and getting my consent. So do I have to sign that ticket? No, and I will still go to court. It's not that big a deal. I don't have to sign the fucking thing.
Okay.
And he's gonna want to arrest me. And if he wants to arrest me, that's gonna be his problem. Like, fucking make my day, dude. You shouldn't have pulled me over for a non-crime. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm following the speed limit, stop the stop signs, all the bullshit, and he fucking runs up on me because I have a GoPro. Not gonna happen, dude.
Is that what he said to you?
That's exactly what he did. It's all on camera.
Okay.
You know? I mean, fuck, I'm not messing around. Like, this is stupid. I mean, I deal with you guys all the time, and you know, to be pulled over for a non-crime and these guys know what I fucking do, like, messing with the wrong one, dude.
All right. Just hang tight, all right?
How's it going, Lee?
Morning, sir. How are you?
Morning.
So what's going on?
So it was a great day.
Okay.
Okay, I was just out enjoying my day, and I got pulled over for having a GoPro on my helmet. Okay, and so I let Bliss know that, you know, this is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right. The fact that I was just traveling, I was following all the rules and laws of the road and traffic safety and nothing. And then he gets behind me and pulls me over for a GoPro and tries to tell me that that's a violation of whatever code. What safety code? What does it even matter? You know, what if I had a fin on my helmet? What if I put my visor up? Is that now a violation of the traffic code? Like, look how close my visor is being as high as my GoPro. What violation, what crime have I committed? Please tell me.
Okay, so you're in violation of the California Vehicle Code, which says you can't have that mounted on your helmet.
Okay, so can you
It's as
tell me
simple
what
as
code that is?
Pardon?
What code is that?
Pardon? I don't know what code is it.
Okay, look that up and also tell me what crime I committed.
Regardless, it's an infraction.
Okay,
It's like speeding.
and I'll see him in court.
Correct.
Absolutely, and
your
it's gonna be a
we
fun
need
day in
your-
court. Make sure you're ready for a full day, buddy.
Right, and we need your information. So I need your
I
driver's
have not
license,
committed a
registration,
crime.
information.
A crime. Do you know what a crime is?
Do you understand what we're saying? We just
I
need
see.
your
I
information.
understand. Is what I just did a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's infraction.
Exactly.
Infraction.
There's no crime in an infraction. Therefore, I
So
have
we
no
need
reason.
to have your driver's license.
Look, okay, I'm one of those very few people.
Are you not going to give us your ID or anything?
Okay, so you're gonna threaten me with jail?
I'm just asking a question.
Would I go to jail if I don't ID?
Would you go to jail? if you don't have
Are you
ID?
gonna arrest
You're
me?
gonna have to
Is
ID.
this a threat of arrest if I don't ID?
I'm asking you, are you going to give us your ID?
And I'm asking you, am I gonna be taken to jail if I don't
He's
ID?
asking a question with a question. He asked you a question. Answer the question.
You are my servant.
Okay.
I am not your bitch. Okay? I'm just asking you a question. Before I answer a question, are you threatening me
I'm
with
not threatening you at all.
arrest?
I want to know whether
No,
you're going
with
to provide us
with an
your
arrest.
identification so he can fill out his citation, so then we can give you a summons to go to court, so then you can come to court and then talk to the judge about it.
You know how easy it is for him to just put his tail between his legs and say, take it off your helmet?
Pardon?
Why couldn't he have said, if that's such a violation, why couldn't he have just asked me to take it off?
Well, he would have.
No, he didn't. He could have, he walked up. He wanted my ID so he could give me a ticket.
Your ID, so he
Right.
can, how do you know he's going to give you a ticket?
Because he asked for my ID.
How do you know he's going to give you a
It
ticket?
doesn't matter. I mean,
So you're making an
listen,
assumption
so
because
listen,
he
here,
asked
look,
for his
here,
ID
right here,
that you're going to get the ticket.
right
correct?
here. Don't be grabbing, and you're getting too close to my personal stuff. Right here is my ID.
Okay.
Okay. Am I being threatened with an arrest because I put a GoPro for my safety on my helmet and got pulled over by a,
Get my pizza?
Sure.
Okay.
you know? So what happens? What I'm asking is, what happens if I don't give you the ID?
Well, we need to satisfactorily identify you.
Okay. For
So
what?
we can do that right there. Okay. Or you can go in, run your fingerprints, and do all that kind of good stuff.
So you are threatening me with arrest,
I'm not threatening you
booking,
with anything. I'm asking you to
putting
give
me in the
your
back,
ID so
probably
we
putting
can take
handcuffs
care of
on me.
our business. Will you provide us with your
So
identification?
am I being detained right now?
Will you provide us with your... Yes, you're being
Okay,
detained.
so I'm being detained.
Yeah.
I'm being threatened with an arrest.
Not being threatened.
Oh, booking. I'm being threatened with being booked. Okay, by is it Sergeant?
Yes.
Sergeant Lee.
Yes.
Because of tyrannical bliss. I'm gonna hand this over.
Thank you.
There you go. Identify who you already have identified, and I'll see you in court. It's gonna be a fun one.
Do you have your insurance card with you also?
Look it up, dude. You got my ID. I'm not getting any. You got my ID. Do what you need to do. Everything is up to date. Everything is up to date.
Okay, can you prove that to me?
Can you prove it? Just look it up. It's right there. I'm not giving you anything else. GoPro.
I don't know if you know it, but we don't have the capability of looking it up.
Well, that sucks for you.
Again, I'm just throwing out.
Trust me, I have insurance.
Well, we don't doubt that. I mean,
Okay, well,
he just asking that
not
you're
too bad.
required to.
You asked for one thing, you got one thing. That's all you're getting. And to this, I speak to my lawyer.
Well, I'm not a party to this. I was just throwing it out there,
Okay.
just to throw it out there. So do you feel like explaining to me like how come you don't want to identify?
Because you took an oath.
What's that?
You took an oath. This guy took an oath. You took an oath. Okay, to uphold the Constitution. Right now, you're violating the Constitution. And I know you don't believe me yet, but trust me, Bliss will find out.
I know. What I'm asking though is can you explain to me why though? That's what I don't understand.
Because the Constitution,
Again,
here's the Constitution. Okay, unless I've committed a crime, I don't need to even fucking talk to you whether you want to talk to me or not. You want to ask me questions? I don't have to answer shit. Unless I commit a crime, you are nothing but a servant.
Okay.
Okay, that's that.
Okay.
Plain and simple. You're not Mr. Badass with 3 stripes. You're fucking nothing. You are our servant.
Okay.
And then you pull people over, you violate our constitutional rights, and when we actually know them, even the Sergeant Lee, is going to need a real education.
Can I
And
ask
we'll get
again
one.
though? So since we're talking about it,
Uh-huh.
I'm just curious. I agree. If there's no crime, we can't stop. But I'm just asking. I guess where I'm getting at is why do you think this is not a crime for him stopping you for a crime? I guess.
What? What? He pulled me over for a GoPro. How's that a crime? Do you know what a crime is? You have to have a victim. Where's my victim?
How do you figure?
What, for a crime.
So if the law says
No, law, color of law is different than the supreme law of the land.
oh,
Okay? There's only one law, and that's the Constitution.
oh, okay,
That's it.
all right,
Everything else, you need consent.
okay. So that's where we're getting.
Okay? Like, you know the UCC, Universal Commercial Code? Yeah. That's what you guys operate under. You guys need someone's consent to do anything. Bliss did not have my consent, and I did not commit a crime, therefore he violated my 4th Amendment right.
All right. Need you to sign here in the red box. Being cited for motorcycle helmet safety. Sign there in the red box. What did you add here?
The truth.
Under duress.
That's exactly the term.
We're under duress.
I absolutely am.
Okay.
For violation of my 4th Amendment
You're
right.
not going to get anything in the mail. Everything's done online in El Dorado County. There's a web address right here. Give it about 8 business days. Go to that web address, enter your citation information, your personal information, and your options. There will be how to handle the citation.
Yep, just make sure you're ready to go to court.
right.
I will be meeting you there.
Okay. So
Was your body cam on? Oh, you don't have one. Do you have a dash cam?
you need to take that off your helmet, okay?
Do you have a dash cam?
I do.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll be playing that. And I'll also be playing your records for a very long time that make you look really fucking bad. Go away.
You need to take that
Goodbye.
off your helmet.
Goodbye.
Okay?
Goodbye.
Are you going to take that off your helmet?
Goodbye. I don't answer questions. Goodbye.
Okay. If you get back on this motorcycle,
If you
without
don't
on
leave
your
me
helmet-
alone, this is just going to escalate very much further and you're going to look really bad. I mean, it's just like, just go away. You gave me the ticket, go away.
Okay, I'm asking you, are you going to take that off your helmet?
Am I free to go?
No, not until you take that off.
You're going to sit here all day and make me take it off?
Why won't you?
I'll take it off when I want to take it off. Goodbye. Kick rocks. Fuck off.
Okay.
Bye.
Well, the reason you're getting cited is for that on your helmet.
Okay.
And I can't let the violation continue.
Okay, well, maybe I'm gonna sit here for a while. Leave me alone. Goodbye.
That's fine. If you stay here and park.
Goodbye.
If you
Goodbye.
drive off,
Goodbye.
please take that off your helmet.
Goodbye.
Because you'll be in continual
Shoot.
violation. All right.
Goodbye.
Did you hear me?
I don't speak your language. Goodbye.
All right. Well, evidently you do. Just answer.
I'm just saying I don't speak your current language. Goodbye. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
We're looking at a situation where police managed to turn a minor issue into an unnecessary confrontation. This man was pulled over simply because he had a GoPro mounted on his motorcycle helmet, a device many riders use to record their rides and protect themselves in case of an accident. Instead of handling the situation calmly, the officer immediately demanded identification and began escalating the encounter, turning what should have been a simple traffic matter into a heated roadside dispute. What stands out here is that the rider repeatedly referenced his constitutional rights, including Title 18, Section 242, a federal law that makes it a crime for government officials to abuse their authority and deprive someone of their constitutional rights. He also brought up the Fourth Amendment, which protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures by the government. Now, his tone may have been aggressive at times, but one thing is clear. He understood his rights and refused to back down. While many people might feel intimidated in a situation like this and simply comply without question, this writer chose to stand his ground, document the entire encounter, and let the courts decide who was right and who was wrong. And ultimately, it's citizens like this who help keep constitutional freedoms alive. Because when people know the law, record their interactions, and are willing to challenge authority in court, any abuse of power is far more likely to be exposed and held accountable.